Hello guys, this is Cash from Med Performance. So today I just wanted to share with you guys that I'm doing a sump seal for 1999 Toyota Crown 1JZ Turbo. So I'm doing the sump seal on this one. It looks from the bottom, it looks like a nice and tidy. It's gonna come easier, like really easy to come out. So you don't have to do anything, but actually this is not that easy, because you can see from the front bolts you can open it, but there's a 6 bolt after this one. From the 6 bolts at the back you can't even reach it. So you can see these ones, this is like right on the top of the subframe. So what you have to do is, the best way to do it, you have to drop the steering rack, which is this one. So just drop it down, open 4 bolts like this one, number 14, open 4 of them and drop it down, just hanging around with the cable ties, just to make sure doesn't drop it all the way down. So still just for the safety. So after that you can see those ones. I'll just show you with the, see these ones, where it is. Okay, it's quite hard to see this one, and this one. Yes, so there's a 6, it's even hard to see these ones. So you don't have to drop the subframe, you don't have to lift the engine, anything. So best way to do it, drop the steering rack, and yeah, after that, so best tool to use it, these are the two tools to use this on. Number 10 ring spanner or open spanner. So you can't use the ratchet spanner, no enough space. So best way to use the open spanner or ring spanner to open these ones. That's the only way you can reach it. Otherwise you can't put any socket, you can't put any ratchet spanner, you can't put any other tool to there's no way you can use the rattle gun to open it. So obviously it's number 10, so you can't even use the rattle gun on these ones. And yeah, that's the easiest way to open the sump, which was leaking, so that's why I need to replace this one. Alright, see. So yeah, if you have any questions, so please feel free to ask me, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, and share, and if you have any questions, ask me, feel free. So I will definitely answer you and I'll help you with that. Thank you so much, have a good day.